Hello and welcome. I recently came across a blog post on Reddit's web and found interesting insight. JavaScript is the most popular programming language in 2024. When I connected the information with my experience, it really makes sense to me. I'm always driven by numbers and statistics, so this blog post really inspired me to make this video. So in this video, I'll explain 3 reasons why every software developer should learn JavaScript. Without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, JavaScript is great for beginners. So JavaScript is a very beginner-friendly language, and it offers a very low entry point into coding for people with little to no experience. A foundation in JavaScript can help you pick up other languages as you progress through your career. One thing that makes JavaScript accessible is you can write JavaScript code within your web browser. So new programmers don't have to go through the trouble of setting up a dev environment, and they can start practicing JavaScript from day one. Another reason it's great for beginners is because JavaScript has immense community support. There are many great resources and communities out there that can help your learning journey a lot easier. So one of them is the Odin project. I have made another video explaining that program in detail and why the program is extremely valuable for beginners who want to get into full stack development. I will leave a link in the description, so feel free to check it out after watching this video. Secondly, JavaScript is a well-rounded language. JavaScript is used in all modern applications today. So if you want to become a front-end developer, knowing JavaScript isn't an option anymore, it's a requirement. Moreover, in 2009, Google launched their first version of Node.js, enabling developers to use JavaScript as a backend language. So this innovation created many opportunities for JavaScript developers. They can now use the same language to be a full-stack website without learning additional languages. And finally, JavaScript is extremely in high demand right now. According to a study conducted by Index, 72% of tech companies are looking for developers with JavaScript skills. So this proves that companies are desperately wanting developers who can write JavaScript code. So moreover, these positions are very high-paying jobs. According to Indeed, the average salary of JavaScript developer in the US is $115K annually. We can see that the language opened up many great opportunities that can change people's life. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. That supports the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.